Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a guide towards buying the best security systems based on the motion sensing, resolution, night vision, storage, networking, mounting, expandability, alerts, image clarity, any extra service costs, and of course the price. Let's take a closer look at each of these best security systems. This is the Eufy Security 5-piece home alarm kit. This 5-piece bundle is an easy-to-install security system that can notify you of break-ins, and is controllable with your phone when you are away from home. It comes with Eufy HomeBase, which is the brains of the operation and connects to your router through Ethernet, creating a wireless node for the rest of the kit to talk to. The security keypad can be used for manually disarming the security system as you leave, or arrive at home. And you can secure the keypad to a wall most likely near your main entrance and secure the motion sensor to a wall with the included mounts. Although it is 100% wireless, which means you don't have to do anything more complicated than adhering, or screwing the mount to a wall somewhere. The motion sensor detects motion within a 100 degrees radius, and up to 30 feet away, and will trip the HomeBase's 100 decibel siren if armed, while also notifying your phone of an intrusion. You can get notified about all the motion and breaches happening around your home through the Eufy security app on your smartphone. The kit comes with 2 entry sensors that can be stuck onto window frames, and doors to detect forced entries in those specific places. This smart system can be connected to your home network and controlled by voice commands from Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Ring Alarm 5-piece kit. With no contracts and no fancy extras, Ring security is basic in the best way. This home alarm system is a good fit if you want a no-frills security system that gets the job done. Self-monitoring is free without video, or you can add a paid camera with video recording for less than $5. The Protect Plus plan also includes perks like video backlog and discounted equipment. It's easy to assemble, attentive with its alerts, and expandable so it can grow with your family. The ring of light on the sensors illuminates when they catch motion before the system is armed. You will love the minimalist look of Ring's equipment, and the chime feature on the door or window sensor is comforting to hear when you come home. The kit comes with a base station, keypad, contact and motion sensors, and range extender. Range extenders boost the reach of your home's Wi-Fi, and provide a better connection for additional devices. The base station and keypad control the system as a whole, and both have the signature ring light to indicate system status. The Ring has a unique feature in the app called the Neighborhood Feed, which means it gives you updates from other Ring users in your area. Ring Alarm can control many smart devices through the Ring app, and you can use the Ring Alarm base station as a smart home hub. The Ring comes with a lot of options for monitoring, equipment, and add-ons. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the Ooma Smart Home Security System. If you are the do-it-yourself type who values user-friendly tech and affordability, then Ooma is definitely worth a closer look for securing the home front. Ooma only offers 2 base packages, unlike bigger home security brands that offer packages and plans galore. The pack comes with the base station, 2 door or window sensors, and a motion sensor. The Ooma Tello. The base station is your main hub that communicates with your Ooma devices. The installation is easy, and it arrives at your doorstep ready to go. This smart home security system allows you to monitor activity in your home using your iPhone or Android mobile device. No need for professional installation, all sensors connect wirelessly to the base station, and have an estimated battery life of more than 1 year. The system expands with additional sensors for any size apartment or home. The Ooma app is easy to use, and puts all of our commands at our fingertips. When you open the app, you will find a simple sliding banner at the top to arm and disarm your alarm, or automatically arm and disarm the system when you come and go. Use home, away, night, and vacation modes, and get the 90-day log of all activity, and spoken notifications on the Tello base station. Also, another mode that Ooma offers is geofencing, which will allow you to define a virtual fence around our home, and whenever we went beyond the geofence our system would automatically arm. Another great Ooma feature is its custom notifications. Ooma's new home security camera is called the Butterfly, which gives you sharp image quality with 1080p HD resolution. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.